Hair transplant grafts are placed into the scalp. Now, these are implanting devices. As you can see there, someone is loading that graft with a pair of forceps into this white introducer here. Here's a different view of them. These are introducers or implanters. This is what is inside an implanter. So there's a needle, a plastic casing, a spring mechanism that you can depress on the plunger at the end here, and this stylized image here. So there's the implanter. Somebody loads the graft into the end because there's a groove, then pulls it up, and then it's introduced into the skin. The plunger's depressed and the graft's left behind. And obviously, they come in different sizes for one single hair grafts, double hair grafts, or triple hair grafts. And in this way, the bulb or the root at the bottom of the graft is not crushed by implanting forceps, which can lead to poor growth. So this is one of the ways that the hair transplant industry is looking to improve survival rates, which is ultimately thicker hair, because generally speaking, that's what people come to us for thicker hair. Thanks very much. This is Dr. Paul Spano from the World Congress of Hair Restoration, Bangkok 2019.